Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Myro, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple of key factors. When we looked at this yesterday, we were barely holding above the 20-day SMA. We're now below that here on the 4-hour. Not a great sign. It does imply we could see further downside, but we're going to double check a few things just to make sure we're looking at the right things here, of course, because fib levels are going to be important when we have this kind of retracement. Now, if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I do love teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. And of course, you want to be part of our trading signals or community. Discord's an awesome place for that. We took some nice healthy profits here from ETH, Matic, Chainlink, Solana, and AVAX as well. So some nice shorts here from our day trading bot. Things are working very well there. We have 8 trading pairs that are fully automated that just send signals whenever the market sees those conditions are met. So really cool thing there. Anyways, thanks for the feedback. If you want to consider that, check it out. Make sure you please, just friendly advice, read through our signals guide if you're curious on how the difference of swing trades versus premium trades work. Okay, they're both very different. Day trades, swing trades, totally different ball games. All right, so we're going to talk here about if it's worth taking a swing trade, because truthfully, I'm not going to dive into the minute or the 15-minute chart because it's going to be invalidated as soon as I upload the video, right? That's kind of how that works. But the daily time frame, we want to look at a few things here for larger time frame movements, and we can kind of see here we are slowing momentum to the downside, which is positive. We are seeing stochastic trying to swing upwards, but getting stunned out a little bit. And then money flow index and RSI are still low. Okay, now a lot of times folks will buy low MFI and low RSI. That's kind of a good little play sometimes, but it's very short term. So for the long term, that's not going to work out very well for us here, because we can see we're below all moving averages too. So truth is the daily time frame looks terrible. There's no other way around it. It's going to be a while before the daily time frame actually looks worthwhile. So for right now, what we can do is we can kind of summarize that daily's looking terrible. 4-hour is looking bearish, and what I mean by that is we got tons of money flowing out of this coin here. So the money flow index, this green line, letting us know a lot of money is coming away from this coin. RSI is pulling back, and stochastic RSI is trying to swing to the upside, but hasn't yet. Still moving down. Okay, so we're still at least another 12 to 24 hours before we see any kind of convergence at all. And bottom line is we're below 50 on the RSI. Money flow index is dropping hard. That's not a good look. Same thing with the MACD. Strong MACD divergence here, right there on the edge. So I think we could even see further downside from here. I know it seems like, wait, hold on. How can it come any lower? This doesn't make any sense. This is illogical. Well, cryptocurrency isn't really all that logical, folks. In fact, you could do the opposite of what you think is logic, and it mostly works. So right now, can it come down? Okay, let me rephrase that. Should it come down? Yes. Can it come down? Yes. Yes to all. All right. So again, that's the funny thing about this is if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. That's really just how it works. So with stuff like this, coins like this that have a lot of, I wouldn't say media presence, but generally speaking, a lot of social sentiment, if you will, they have a tendency of being manipulated a lot more than usual coins that are top 10, top 50. So for example, right now, Myro is it's not really super highly ranked as far as market cap, so we're going to find more manipulation occurring. Okay. Either way you look at it, we're below all 4 moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, the hourly time frame. That does go for the 4-hour as well, just to clarify. And then if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can see we're well below the cloud. Lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines below the baseline. This is like 9 out of 10 reasons to consider a short and not a long position. Okay. I know it seems weird shorting what feels like the bottom, but I don't think the bottom's in, folks. I think we can come much lower. So just some friendly advice, be very careful with how you trade this coin. Low leverage, low position sizing, that's really what we do as a community, and we thrive on that, okay? A lot of those trades I've shared with you so far, some monstrous trades we've had over the last couple of months, like this last month wasn't amazing. It was good. 1,600% is good profit, don't get me wrong. But we had like 3,600 profit the month before. And those are mostly just, 5 to 6x leverage trades. You can kind of see here, we only 10x ETH and Bitcoin. For the most part, steady and consistent wins the race, okay? And again, we're also using the same position size every single trade. People tend to just double down every time they get a win. They eventually lose. That's what gamblers do. You don't do that. This is trading. This is totally different, okay? So if you want to play blackjack and trade at the same time, maybe you want to consider a different profession. Okay, if you want to take this serious, you can make a lot of money and just have a healthy, comfortable lifestyle. Like this is literally all I do every day for work. It's the greatest thing ever. What's great is I get to interact with some awesome traders. So again, thanks again to everyone in my Discord and my Telegram, Twitter, everyone just kind of being amazing parts of my life. I deeply appreciate you guys. and gals, thank you so much again for the awesome opportunity. Thank you as well, Myro. Appreciate the group here. You got a good group of folks here as well. Look forward to working with you, though. Have yourself a great rest day. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, quick. Sorry. Quick, friendly advice. I got a lot of questions recently about our trading competition coming up. Yes, if you use my link to register, you'll be automatically eligible for that. I'm meeting with them here shortly to schedule our next one. Okay. And it's really a lot of fun. It's really just simple and easy money just to use the exchange that we love. No KYC, no VPN. Link down below. Be sure to use them. Highly recommended. That's all I got, folks. Thanks again for your time. See you next one. Take care.